Nestled between Mount Monadnock, Mount Wachusett, and the Wapack Range lies the historic and quaint town of New Ipswich, New Hampshire, incorporated in 1762 by Governor Wentworth. The Souhegan River, vital to the town's early economic development, winds its way past former mill buildings and glass factories and provided water power for the burgeoning woolen and cotton mills. Today, the historic character of this town is well preserved and offers a rural lifestyle that cherishes its past and takes pride in preserving the natural beauty of the rolling wooded foothills and the farmlands, ponds, and rivers. Welcome to Bucko Farm at the top of Page Hill Road, with westerly views toward Mount Monadnock and the Wapack Range. If you have horses, there are 2 10x10 run-in sheds, plus 5 turnout paddocks and 2 fenced pastures. The paddocks have top-of-the-line white vinyl flex rail fencing and electric braided rope. There are 4 frost-free hydrants for year-round convenience. The equipment barn offers ample room for storage and has indoor pens set up for goats, poultry, and dog kennels. The outside is completely fenced in. Improve your riding skills and work with your horse's training in the 60-foot round pen and the 70 by 130-foot sand and clay-based riding arena. This new post and beam 24 by 44 3-stall barn is built to perfection with a concrete center aisle, 3 12 by 12 matted box stalls, heated grain and tack rooms, plus a hayloft. For summertime gatherings, the screenhouse is the perfect spot to catch a breeze or have a cookout. This charming circa 1920s farmhouse has undergone extensive renovation since the current owners purchased the home. The addition of a delightful 30-foot mahogany farmer's porch and tiled 4-season sunroom add year-round enjoyment of the outdoors. Spend more time with your horses and animals, as this wonderfully renovated home leaves nothing for you to do. The country kitchen boasts knotty pine cabinets and cozy dining area with original maple floors. A detailed original pantry is located in the first floor laundry and half bath, which is off the kitchen. Step down to the sun-filled living room with views of flowering shrubs and fruit trees and a manicured lawn from the new bay window. Gleaming wide pine floors, wainscoting, and a brick fireplace add a homey touch to this comfortable room. The first floor master bedroom has a tiled bath with a deep whirlpool tub, plus a shower. Feeling a bit sore? The back patio has a soothing hot tub to relax and chill. The second floor bedrooms are wide pine with a new half bath and loft with 2 new skylights, an ideal spot for your computer desk. This beautifully restored farmhouse, impeccable barns, and well-maintained paddocks is ideal for the horse and animal lover who desires an idyllic setting to enjoy what they're truly passionate about. All of the hard work is already done, so you can just spend time doing what you love, enjoying your animals on this wonderful mini farm. This property is centrally located with easy access to major routes and centers of employment. For a personal tour of this home, call Karin Cannon at 603-494-8151.